Good morning, everyone. As you all know, cell is divided into two categories: prokaryotic and eukaryotic. In biological term, pro means untrue or old. Karyon means nucleus. So the complete meaning of the term prokaryotic cells are those cells which do not have well defined nucleus or which have false or untrue nucleus. Prokaryotic cells are primitive cells. So these cells are simple in structure. These cells contain single chromosomes. Nucleus is absent. If nucleus is absent, then the genetic material scattered inside the cell. Size of the small cell is very small, 1 to 10 micrometer. Next, eukaryotic cell. eukaryotic. Eukaryotic cell. Eu means true. Karyon means nucleus. Eukaryotic cells have well defined nucleus. Nucleus is surrounded by the nuclear membrane. These cells are complex in structure and contain more than one chromosome. These cells are larger in size. Eukaryotic cells have membrane bound cell organelles like lysosomes, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum. So these cell organelles are membrane bound in eukaryotic cell, but in prokaryotic cells, membrane bound cell organelles absent. So we are familiar that cells are of various types or various shapes. Cells are found in various shapes such as round. You have seen a picture of cell which is round in shape, and that is female gamete. Spherical shape, you have seen spherical shape, that is fat cell. Oval shape, you can say female gamete, egg. Spindle shaped, that smooth muscle cell. Branch shape, neuron. Neuron is the structural and functional unit of nervous system. So dear students, we are going to start cell organelle, and the first most important cell organelle is the nucleus. Nucleus is located centrally in animal cell but periphery in the plant cell. It's a very important cell organelle and it regulates all the activities of the cell. Thank you and have a nice day.